Hey folks, it's Javan Bernakevitch with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're taking a look at the Oregon State University Permaculture template, specifically the microclimate template and specifically the plant identification chart. So how do you use this table? It's pretty straightforward. All of the instructions are labeled within each cell. So you're going to go through and take each one of the plant icons or the plant names that you listed out in your microclimates map. So the crabapple, let's say, would be number one. List out crabapple, list out the binomial name, put in the form, the preferred habitat. And if you haven't taken a look at the Natural Capital Plant Database, it's a great place to take a look, or Plants for the Future or Wikipedia can usually give you quite a bit of information. Just make sure to list where your information came from. Make sure to throw a photo into this last cell. But a lot of people have been asking, well, how do I change colors? Because I may not have had this in exactly the right spot. So if we take a look on my sheet, we've got our crabapple here that's just in between two zones, the warm sun shade and the cool shade dry. So I'm going to largely put it into the warm sun shade one, even though it looks like it's a little bit more cool shade dry, just because this actually needs to be changed a bit. So the warm shade dry. So let's say that I wanted to change this entire color palette because these colors are to relate with the microclimate. Say I want to change that so that way it's very clear where this is coming from. So this top line, the way we do this is we highlight every single cell, and then there will be a little top arrow, little caret here. I'm going to click on that, click the top line. That then gives us access to that line, and thus we can change it. So I can change that now to the color that I'm using for that microclimate. And I can click that, and now it's changed, and I can click on this cell, and I can also change that over to the color that I want for the microclimate. So that's the way to use the chart and change the chart. Hopefully that helps. All the best, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.